Hello, my name is Jonathan Costner, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on understanding the basics of using Audacity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and with all that being said, let's get into it. So what we have here in front of us is the default settings for Audacity. Up here on the top left we have the pause button, the play button, the stop button. We also have the skip to start and also skip to end. And over here we have the recording button. So what I'm going to do now is that there are two ways you can actually record your audio clip. The first way is to left click on the recording button up here, or the other way is to press the R key to record. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to press the R key to record. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Jonathan Costner. Testing 1 2 3. Thank you. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the space bar to stop. And the audio recording has stopped. So now I'm going to press the spacebar again to play. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is Jonathan Costner. Testing 1 2 3. Thank you. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the spacebar to stop. So this last portion of both clips right here, where if I move the scrubber over here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the space bar to stop. This portion over here is what I want to get rid of, so in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click over here and I'm going to drag this highlight over here to the right, and now I'm going to press the delete key to delete, and it's deleted the last portion of that clip. Now let's say for example I want to get rid of the this is Jonathan Costner audio. So I'm going to go over here, left click. This is Jonathan Costner. Testing 1 2 3. Thank you. I'm going to try play that again. This is Jonathan Costner. Testing 1. Okay. So I'm going to go over here, left click, go over here. About right in there somewhere. Delete. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Thank you. And that's how it works. Okay, now let's say for example that I want to add an effect to the audio clips. So I'm going to go up here to Effect, left click, and we've got all these cool features. We've got reverb, repeat, we got normalize, noise reduction, change pitch. Let's go over to reverb. I'm going to left click on this. Okay, so in order to create the effect, you need to make sure that the audio clip is selected. So I'm going to press Control A, and the clip is highlighted. And now I'm going to go back up to Effects and left click on Reverb. And let's change the tone high. I'm going to decrease this to about maybe 35%. Preview. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, and you can see how the effect works for the audio clip. Now let's say that this is all I want. So I'm going to go up here to File, I'm going to left click, and I'm going to go down to Export, and you've got these different export features like MP3, WAV, OGG, etc. I like to use WAV, so I'm going to left click on this, and we get this export audio window. So I'm going to call this audio clip. I'm going to press enter to save, and then you have the edit metadata tags. So if you want to give it like an artist name, track title, album title, etc., you can actually list that information over here at the values if you want to. And then after that, all you have to do is just either left click on save and then left click on OK, and then you're ready to go with your audio clips. Just a quick reminder that if you're using a cellular device and you're doing auto recordings that you want to import into Audacity, it will probably not work. So my only suggestion and recommendation to you is to either use a USB microphone for your computer, or to use a microphone for a camcorder, or at least other devices that you can find at your local store. But that's the only reminder I'm giving you about this, and I'm going to close it for today. My name is Jonathan Costner. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.